What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your RPM109 V2 to your laptop or computer. Now on the top we have the PC interface, which allows you to connect the amplifier to your laptop or computer. So for that you're going to need a USB-A to USB cable. You're going to plug the USB-A end into the interface port here. Then you're gonna plug the other end into your laptop or computer. Because we're using a newer laptop for today, I'm gonna be using a dongle to convert the USB to a USB-C. Once you have the mixer plugged into your computer, you're gonna wanna go into the sound settings and switch the input and output device to mixer audio. So this is a cool setup because now you can record anything that's plugged into the mixer, into a DAW on your laptop or computer. So for today, I'm using GarageBand, but you're gonna follow the same exact steps on any other DAW you're using. We also recommend that you go into the sound settings of your DAW and make sure that the output device and the input device is set to mixer audio as well. Now to set up a track on your DAW, you're just gonna create a new track here. And when it prompts you to set up the input for your track, we recommend that you set it to input 1 and 2. We recommend that you do this because the mixer is sending out a stereo signal once it's connected to your laptop or computer, and once you have it set to input 1 and 2, you're getting a fair balance of everything recorded. From here, you can plug in any instrument or microphones to any of the available inputs, and once you're all set, you can hit record and it will record anything that's plugged into the mixer. So now you can see that everything I'm saying into the mic right now is getting picked up and recorded on my DAW here. And it's also really cool because you can still hear my voice coming out of the speakers. So this is really cool because if we had a band practice or rehearsal, we can record our rehearsal into the Mac and still be able to hear everything coming through the speakers. So we're able to hear all of the instruments, voices, etc. And what's also really cool is that you can use the built-in effects and use all the parameters on each of the channels on the mixer and have that recorded as well. So here's an example. I have the delay on right now, and it should also be recording onto your track. Also remember, you can adjust the level of any microphone or instrument plugged into the amplifier the same way by using the level knob. So for example, if I wanted my microphone to be louder through the mix, I'm just gonna raise the level knob, check 1 2, check 1 2, and then you'll hear that it's actually picking up more volume since we raised the level. And now if I lower it, check 1 2, check 1 2, check 1 2, the signal is quieter now. So this is just to show you that we can adjust the parameters the same way and have it be affected on our recording. Now one thing I want to point out is that if you have speakers plugged in from the mixer while you're recording, you may want to turn off the input monitoring so that you don't get a feedback loop. Now instead of using input 1 and 2 together, you could set it up as a mono track by using input 1 or input 2 at a time. So for example, if you're using input 1 by itself, you're gonna be recording everything coming out of the left channel, which you can see here by looking at the DAW that's recording right now. And just to show that off, we have the channel panned in the middle, so it's picking up everything in the left channel. And if we pan it all the way to the left, it's still picking up that signal, check 1 2, check 1 2. But as soon as we turn it to the right, check 1 2, check 1 2, it's gonna be cutting off because it's not picking up anything from the left channel anymore. And if you use input 2, it's gonna be recording anything coming from the right channel, so as soon as you pan it to the left, it's gonna cut off the recording also. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your RPM109 V2 to your laptop or computer. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.